I know many people are familiar with Mission BBQ and the great stuff that they do supporting first responders, military people, but this is actually their catering delivery mobile. This is one that they use in the DC area. It might look familiar, 5-ton, converted military 5-ton truck, and just kind of give you a walk around of it. Kind of see a lot of the details. They've done some modifications. Looks like they got it from Eastern Surplus, and looks like it's an M35 A3. Oh, it's 2.5 tons is what this is. But I guess it's got the super single wheels on it. Almost looks like a gun truck here on the side. It's pretty thin though. Looks like it's been wrapped. Added on some nice ramps there. And looks like they got a smoker there in the back. American flags. And the details, marker lights are still there. So anyway, great way to repurpose a military vehicle and use it in a kind of a new and interesting way. So love it.